Hey everybody, how you all doing? And welcome to my latest full body fat burning workout. This week I've got a unilateral workout for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first exercise left and right, second exercise left and right, and then the third exercise left and right. That will take 3 minutes. You're going to do 5 rounds, 15 minutes, workout all done. So as always, let me take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly what to do. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember, that's one circuit. All you do now is do 5 rounds, 15 minutes, and that's your workout all done. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with anybody who you know can benefit from it. Until the next one, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.